I'm John Becker, and you probably seen me do my testimony before about my first trip to Tijuana to do the stem cell treatment for a number of different reasons, mostly for shoulder, knee problems, back problems, stuff like that. And so it's been about 6 to 8 weeks since I first came down, so I'm coming back for a second round and in the IV. And the other therapy I got was site specific, so that's why they had injected my shoulders and my knees and my L5 lumbar. But the IV is an excellent thing because what it does is, my understanding is it goes to the whole body and to the trouble spots in the whole body. It's almost like having a GPS system in a cell that's going to go and find the trouble and fix it up. So that's what I'm doing. And the results that I had on my first visit were, I didn't really know what to expect. And I think everybody's testimony about that is a little bit different. But I had some incredible results almost instantaneously. My cognizant faculties were sharp as a razor, and then I had no neuropathy in my feet, and my breathing, everything just changed, and that was within a couple hours of getting the first dose. And so I just thought it'd be kind of good to come down and take a second shot and make sure I get everything all done, and that's why I'm here. So I'm pretty excited about it, and I'd recommend it, for anybody. I just, sorry to say you can't get this therapy in the United States because the FDA and all that kind of stuff, they have their regulations and all. But when you do your research, you'll find out that yes, you can get stem cells from a number of different sources. And the stem cells that we get here with Forma Medical is from umbilical cords, from live cesarean births, full-term births. The babies are fine, everybody's good, and they take the umbilical cord and all those other materials that happen during a birth and usually throw it away until they found that it contains the best stem cells that you can get your hands on. So that's some of the ethical things that people might be resistant to doing it, but when you get your stem cells done with Forma, you get documentation of where they came from, and they're clean, and there's no diseases or anything like that in it, and that's all lab tested. So it's really safe. I think you'll have a good time, and best of all, you'll just experience an amazing amount of healing in the different trouble spots in your body, and even some of the spots you didn't even know. Like, for example, I wear hearing aids because I'm a drummer and I just make a lot of noise, and I like that, but I was in the bathroom and I didn't have my hearing aids on, and I heard sounds that I had never heard before, and I thought maybe it was a water heater, but turns out it was a little $15 clock with a AA battery, and I could hear the workings inside of it. It was amazing, and I had never heard that before. And so I've just discovered all sorts of different things going on that are subtle but shocking. Even my vision is better, So I'm just happy, and the site specific ones that I got have really been helpful. I mean, I couldn't even hardly really walk before or squat down. Now, I'm kicking field goals for the Miami Dolphins. I'm just kidding, but no, they're working, So just make sure you get a hold of the people at Forma Medical and see if you are a qualified participant in one of the most miraculous programs that's on the planet. See you the next time.